Hi all, a very warm welcome to Sunday Stock Show. See, last week we had discussed, I always say that Sunday is about upgrading our skills. Sunday is always the start of the week, not the end of the week. Sundays, we always need to think about what skills we need to upgrade, looking to develop the new skills and looking for the upcoming week and upcoming month as well. That's what always believe. Sunday is the start of the week. Please remember that. So coming to last week calls or market updates, and if you see last week on 17th October, let me share my screen. On 17th October, we had mentioned, like, see, 17th October 2022. Here, this is the WhatsApp group of our students where we had posted that market looking positive. And so now focus on these particular stocks updates. Coal India, Cipla, ICICI Bank, NTPC, etc. in a bullseye. So if you see, just hold on, screen is loading here, the chart. See, from comparing to the last week of 17th October, how nicely market has rallied, as well as our individual stocks, which we had recommended to our students. See, there is a very good uptick in Coal India and also very good uptick, nice rally in Cipla, ICICI Bank, NTPC performed very well. So not only this, in this way, like every week, every weekend, we used to like show all the market updates and all the stocks which are in the bull or the bear side, I mean upside or the lower side. So on same way, we had also shared, like, just hold on, I will share my screen here. See, if you see here, previously we had also updated, is Bitcoin going to crash? I think many of you had seen that video. We had clearly mentioned that Bitcoin is about to crash due to certain parameters, certain techniques using by the technical analysis. So from 45,000 to less than 20,000, which clearly we had mentioned the target has been hit already and it's been low now. So in this way, many sessions we had done related to technical analysis and assessing like how market performs, how stocks may perform using technical analysis, and also weekly updates, and always being in touch with my students and updating to them, like coming all the concepts and updates related to every stock. So now, and also we are posting the same calls and same short-term trading and also like investments related, all the updates in Facebook and Instagram and also in YouTube videos as well, all the updates. So if you like to connect to that, if you want to subscribe, please also you can like the page in Facebook as well. So coming to the present market scenario, let's move on. Let's move on to the current market scenario. So currently, if you see here, see, even though lots of negative noise around the globe is going on in UK financial crisis, overall, there may be a chance of recession and inflation, all other issues. Lots of global markets crashed, even Asian markets crashed. But if you see here, how strong is the Indian markets? If you got my point, still Indian markets are looking very strong. See, always remember one quote where always in markets, we need to remember that. I'll show you here. See here, the riskiest time to invest is when the market looks safest. And the safest time to invest is when the market looks riskiest. I'll explain you once more. When market looks safest, then that is the time to that time investing is the risky, and everyone feels, yeah, if we invest now it is safe. Then seriously, that is the time to that when we are investing that time, then it is risky. But when everyone feels this is the risky time, like inflation, like recession, lot of issues, actually that is the safest time. Many professionals follow, many big players follow this code. So remember this very important code. That's what currently market is also going on. Everywhere around the globe, there is a lot of risky news, negative news, inflation, recession, and a lot of other issues, RBI policy or rate hikes, a lot of prices went up overall. But here your Indian market is looking very strong. That means I'm not saying straight away jump into the markets, but with the proper proofs, proper analysis, proper structure, proper trade planning, investing planning, we can go into the markets. So coming to the market, see here, our market soon, it is looking like it may break all-time highs of around 18,594. And also there is no surprise, no wonder market may go 20,000 or more sooner. So coming to the stocks, first of all, I want to mention that currently, if you like to invest, we can first, I prefer to go with public sector stocks. All the public sector banks, public sector enterprises, public sector stocks like, see here, Coal India, NTPC, even Power Grid, which are related to the government sectors where the government stake is high, like SBI, Bank of Baroda, Canara Bank, whatever where the government authorized banks, government authorized sectors are looking very, very strong. You can put your money into those sectors. But here we are suggesting based on the charts, Coal India is looking very strong, even till like 300 levels or more or higher. And long-term goal for investing, it is looking around 400 to 500 levels. And also NTPC. NTPC is also one of the government sector stock. So it is also looking very, very strong till 200 to 300 levels if you invest. And also short-term trading. ONGC also performed very well. And next, Power Grid is even more stronger. Already we had identifying from almost from last 1 year, we are checking these all the public sector stocks. They are all performing very good and very strong. See, from even we recommended at 150 levels, now it almost went to 250 to 300 levels, and even now it is looking to go more higher. And SBI and a lot of other stocks, any stock related to public sectors, you focus more on that. And then other than that, Cipla, coming to pharma, Cipla is looking very strong. ICICI Bank, which we recommended last week, so looking very strong. DLF from the real estate looking strong. Axis Bank in the private sector looking strong. Dr. Reddy Laboratories looking strong. So these all are the bullish side because market is looking very positive, so that we should go into positive side, like most preference to the positive stocks. I mean, which are looking positive on the charts. The same way, coming to the negative side, even the market go positives, there may be some sectors related to downside, some stocks. Coming to the stocks, if we see here, see like HDFC sector, HDFC group is looking weak, and Bajaj Auto also looking weak, and BPCL from many months, almost from more than like exactly from last 1 year, we are saying BPCL may fall, and it performed very well from 500 levels to now 300 levels, and also it may hit the targets of 250 and even more lower. Why? Because as per the technical analysis, BPCLC, our students know very well here. There is a point of which you learned in our classes as well. There is a point of BPCL hitting 1, 2, 3, 4, and fifth one is very weak and is heading towards downward. That is the channel which you learn. Got it? And also Divi's Laboratories. If you see in Divi's Laboratories, there is a very, very nice head and shoulder pattern which you learned in our classes. See here, shoulder, head. That is very negative, and it got breakdown as well with the higher volumes. See here, higher volume. So Divis is looking even more weaker towards the downside targets around 3000 to 2500 levels. And also one more sector is weaker, not strong. It is actually very strong till more than like last 1 year, around last 6 months back. But now it has turned the game, became slightly weaker and also still looking weak currently. And that stock mainly IT sector. Coming to IT sector, Tech Mahindra, Infosys are looking very weak, and you can go shorter for the short-term trading. Got it? See, Tech Mahindra, even we had learned these trend line concepts, which where to sell, where to buy. So as per the trend line, as per the also, if this breaks in daily chart, it is consolidating here. So if this breaks the consolidation, it may fall even more down. So be careful with the IT sector for the shorter period. Investments and all, it will be a good opportunity if it falls further. And we got the proper signals. That time we can discuss about investments. Currently short-term trading, IT sector also is looking weak and to go short in the futures. Then coming to the short term, like we had seen, like public sector stocks, we had discussed it is very strong and all which are weak. In this way, we need to identify which stocks are weak, which stocks are strong. And when the market is strong, we prefer stronger stocks. Got it? So this is the way, this is the things we discuss in all our sessions and classes. And to our, mostly to our students, please focus on these stocks, as well as be like post all your learnings or queries in the group. And also you can also send me the personal message in WhatsApp or else in Facebook as well. So anyone are very much interested to learn how to trade, short-term trading, investments, anything, you can contact me intraday as well. You can contact me personally as well as message me, and you can connect regularly. Please, if you want to know more insights, please subscribe. Thank you for watching. Good luck. All the best. Good trading.